Alright, we're probably about a cumulative 20 minutes into this lock. Still getting stuck at the false set. So let's see if we can finally get this thing open. I'm gonna try going with just the things of Peterson instead of the SS Dev. I want to try that out. I think I'll click on 3. Right now I'm just going through trying to get one that feels solid. Click on 2. Okay, that's a click on 1. I might have felt a slight turn in the core. Okay, I think I've dropped something and now I have a click on 1 again. Click on 2. Getting nothing for snagging now. So I'm gonna push up on each thing, see if I get anything from that. Click on 1, I think. Might feel something drop. I feel like I click on 1 again. I think some of these clicks I'm feeling, definitely I'll click on 3. Or just the warding I'm getting stuck on though. Back to getting nothing on this. Click on 1. Try switching to SS Dev real quick. Still nothing. Trying to just get in the back here so we can get the high cut pin, because I think that's what's been giving me so much difficulty. Hang on, 1, 2, 3, nothing, nothing, nothing. I feel like I click on like 3 maybe. It could easily be the warding though, as I mentioned. Might try letting this thing go in a second because it seems like I might have overset something. Oh, finally. Well, this is strange. Yeah, I've never had this happen before. Seems like it's open. Right? Okay, got rest of the videos. So yeah, we got this open. Now I can't get the key out. But can't remember the kind of lock this is called, but you turn it and you have to actually pull out the shackle manually. So that's why I was getting a little confused there. But oh man, it's rough. But yeah, so there you go. That was the Master A22. I think this was a stock lock? I don't even know. It seems pretty challenging. So I thought it was repinned, but it doesn't look like you can. Ball bearings, another thing to notice, so it's a pretty good lock. But yeah, I think this probably took me 20 to 30 minutes of cumulative effort. So yeah, good way to get back into picking again. K1, thank you again for saying this to me, really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.